Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my last video, I was showing you that price line is moving in a down channel and soon it can break out or break down the support or resistance. Recently, Bitcoin has broken out the resistance of this down channel. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line will be able to move up from here or it will be move more down from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. And I've also shared the link for this complete report in the video's description that will show you how many trades I've shared in the last month, how many trades were successful, and how many trades were unsuccessful. And if you would like to verify any trade, you can just click on the chart on this link. It will take you to the idea that I've posted for my members. And I've also shared the screenshots how the price line entered the buying zone and how reverse bullish. Or you can just click on the link of the chart. It will take you to the trading view. And if you have a free account there on the trading view, then you can click this play button. It will show you how the price line reverse bullish and hit the sell targets. This was, by the way, a big pump. Now, let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to recall my major trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon back in on 23rd of January 2022, when the price line entered the buying zone of a very, very big harmonic Cypher pattern. And this was a harmonic Cypher pattern. And I told my members that we have a very big hidden bullish divergence on this chart, as the price line was forming higher low than previous low, and RSI was forming lower low than previous low. And we also had a very, very nice support of the 100 weekly simple moving average. And our buying zone of this Cypher was from $36,101 and goes to $28,805. And our sell targets were from $46,339 and goes to $57,167. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well, and it has rallied so far up to $48,189, and it has already hit this sell target. And if we take a look at the live weekly time frame, then here during this move, price line has also broke out this EMA 21, this red line on the weekly time frame. Right now you can see that the price action is sloping down, and we are below EMA 21 on the weekly time frame, and we are at the support of the EMA 10, this blue line. On this long-term chart, the price line is forming higher lows and higher highs as well. And for example, if the price line forms another high, then it can also cross $70,000 level as well. And if we watch this hourly time frame chart, this was the channel that I was showing you in my last video, that after breaking out this channel, we can expect a move up to here, approximately at $47,100, if there will be no bearish divergence on the chart. If we take a look at the RSI, then we can see that the price line was forming lower lows. It was moving to the downside while the RSI was moving to the upside. So we had a bearish divergence, a hidden bearish divergence on this chart. Here we had a long spike, but the price line again moved down. And at the same time, after breaking out this channel, there is a critical thing that price line also formed this ascending triangle. This was the resistance of the triangle, and here we had the support of the triangle. And you can see it was again and again testing this support, tested this support here, 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 and here as well. And now it has broken down this support. Now, I was expecting that if the price line breaks out the resistance of this triangle on the hourly time frame, then the imminent move can be here, approximately up to $45,000. Now the price line has broken down the support. Therefore, we can expect the move to the downside that will be approximately at $42,390. But at $42,000, we can have a nice support. For example, if the price line is going to $42,000, if we switch to the weekly to the daily time frame, then we can see this $40,000 has been breaking as a nice support and resistance recently. Here it worked as a resistance, here as a resistance, and here as a support. Therefore, if the price line moves there, then it can have a reversal move from there, and we can have a very nice support of $42,000. But after breaking down this triangle, there is a very less probability that the price line will now after breaking out this channel, hit the target of this channel that will be here at approximately at $47,100. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.